Hello, students, welcome back. So, students, let us now go through the lesson. Students, before beginning the story, let me tell you since it is actually a folk tale, so there are various different versions of the story. In different books, the story has been told and retold in various ways. Here, in our book, you would find Ulysses, who is the general of the Greek army. But it was actually Odysseus who was the chief general of the Greek army and Ulysses a great warrior. So, students, it is not wrong. Actually, in some Greek myths, it is also said that Odysseus was only Ulysses. But whatever it is, the plot remains quite the same. So, let's enjoy reading the great story from this great epic. Once upon a time, a war broke out between Greece and Troy. Greeks had come to take back Helen, the beautiful wife of Greek general Menelaus. The Trojan prince, Paris, had brought Helen to Troy and was not returning her. So finally, the Greeks had attacked the city of Troy. The people of Troy had built a sturdy wall with guard towers along the city. No one could enter the city once the gates of the wall were closed. Greeks made several attempts to break the wall or unlock the gates but could not succeed. Despite all their efforts, Greeks had failed to enter the city of Troy. Greek soldiers were disappointed and tired. They had almost given up their plan of attacking Troy and were planning to return back to Greece. Ulysses, the Greek general, was staring thoughtfully at the Trojan wall. There has to be a way to solve the problem, he said to himself. And suddenly an idea came to his mind. He summoned his soldiers and explained what was in his mind. Ulysses' plan was executed from that very moment. A giant wooden horse was built. The horse had wheels to make it move. Ulysses, along with his soldiers, hid inside the giant horse, and rest of the soldiers burnt all the tents and went away to a nearby island. Next day, people of Troy saw the Greeks going away. They also saw smoke coming out of the burned tents. They were then convinced that the Greeks had left the town. When they saw the giant wooden horse, they assumed it to be the statue of a Greek god. They took the horse inside and began to celebrate their success. In the night, when all the people of Troy went off to sleep, Ulysses and his soldiers came out of the horse. Without losing time, they unlocked the gates for the other soldiers, who had by now returned from the island and were waiting outside the wall. The guards of Troy saw the Greeks and alerted their army. A war began in no time. City of Troy was in the hands of Greeks. The wise Ulysses not only took Helen back but also taught a lesson to the Trojan prince.